Hello, children. Welcome. Good morning. In today's class, today we are doing the annual revision. As we know, multiple choice question will come, so we have to read each and every line of the lesson. Okay, children. I am sharing some book pages where you will find the different types of questions. And children, today I will share some worksheets also, and we will solve together. Let me share the PDF where you will find these things. Yes, children, today we will do the revision of the lesson light, sound, and force. What we will read here? What gives us light? How light help us to see the things? And how shadows are formed, different types of sounds, force, work, and energy. Okay, children? Yes, children, can you find anything in dark room? No. You need light to see that. On our earth, the main source of light is, the main natural source of light is sun. Of course, sun. We can get light from the sun, electric bulb, tube lights, oil lamp. Hmm? The object which give us light are called luminous object. What are these objects? Can you identify, if it will be asked in the exam, identify these objects? Can you identify that these are luminous object? Or it can become, give the examples of the luminous object. Then you can give the example, any two, you can write any. Okay. Come to the next. Children, the objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous. All objects around us mostly are non-luminous. Only some certain objects can give us light ना. Light तो केवल यही objects देते हैं, lamp है, candle, sun, and different new types of light you can say. But non-luminous objects are the objects that do not give out light. How can we see these things? We can see these things only when these objects reflect the light, or the light from any luminous object falls on them. जब इन चीजों पे कोई luminous object की light जाती है, तभी हम इनको देख सकते हैं. Okay, children, you know light always travel in straight line. Any non-luminous object such as apple does not allow light to pass through it. क्या एप्पल के यहाँ से यहाँ लाइट पास हो सकती है? नो. द लाइट गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड. यहाँ से देखो लाइट जा रही है और रिफ्लेक्ट होकर क्या हो रही है? आईज में पहुंच रही है. दैट इज द लाइट बाउंस्ड बैक, जिनको कहेंगे हम कि लाइट बाउंस बैक होती है. व्हेन दीज रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट, बाउंस बैक लाइट falls on our eyes, जब ये लाइट हमारे आईज पे पड़ती है, then we are able to see the apple. What does this picture show? This light travels always in straight line. And what does this picture shows? We see the objects when light reflected from these objects falls on our eyes. You all can do this now. And children, what are shadows? A dark colored patch form on the opposite side of the light is called shadow. When it is formed? When an object or a thing blocks the path of light. जब लाइट का रास्ता कोई चीज रोकती है तो उसका शेडो बनता है. ठीक है. Yes, children, have you noticed the shadow? आपने shadow को देखा है? Shadow कभी छोटी होती है, कभी बड़ी होती है. The size of your shadow keep on changing. Sometime it is longer and sometime it is shorter. The size of our shadow changes with the position of sun. जैसे जैसे सन का पोजीशन चेंज होता है, शैडो की साइज चेंज होती है. मॉर्निंग में देखो, ये सन का पोजीशन ईस्ट में है, शैडो इज लॉन्ग. व्हेन इन द आफ्टरनून इट comes on our head, the shadow is short. And in the evening, it is again the length of the shadow changes due to the change in the position of the sun. ठीक है. The length of the shadow is long in morning, and it is shortest at the noon, and long again at the evening. Children, the length of a shadow change on time to time. And children, what is vibration? The upward and forward movement of the anything is called vibration. देखो ये आगे पीछे जो स्ट्रिंग का मूवमेंट हो रहा है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? वाइब्रेशन. म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट and sitar, guitar, these are all are the produce sound. And some sounds are good, which we like to hear. They are called pleasant sound, as the sound of this music, this musical instrument. But some sounds which are not good, which we don't like to hear, they are called unpleasant sound, as the sound of loudspeaker. Children, what is force, work, and energy? When we push or pull or move anything, we use force. The man is pushing this cart, he is using force. A force is used to pull a trolley. A force is used to change the shape. What is going on in this picture? The force is being changed by using the, it changes the shape. क्या कर रहा है? ये shape change कर रहा है force की वजह से. And force is used to stop a moving object. And force is used to change the direction of any moving object ना. इस तरीके से हम देखते हैं कि force के बहुत सारे काम होते हैं ना. And children, when we use force and we are able to move the things, work is done. और जब फोर्स लगा के किसी चीज को हम यहाँ से वहां मूव कर देते हैं तो हम बोलेंगे कि वर्क इज डन. और यदि मूव नहीं हुआ देन वर्क इज नॉट डन. And children, we need energy to do work na. And what are luminous objects? Objects that give out light. And what are non-luminous objects? Objects that do not give out light. What is shadow? A dark color patch form on the opposite side of the light when an object blocks the path of light. ये सब हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. और वाइब्रेशन क्या है? मूवमेंट प्रोड्यूस व्हेन अ थिंग मूव्स बैक एंड फोर्थ वेरी क्विकली, तो हम उसको वाइब्रेशन कहते हैं. और नॉइस क्या होता है? साउंड दैट इज लाउड एंड डिस्टर्बिंग इज कॉल्ड नॉइज. ये लाउड स्पीकर का साउंड को हम नॉइज बोलेंगे ना. एंड चिल्ड्रन, we need light to be able to see things. हम केवल लाइट में ही चीजों को देख सकते हैं. We get light from luminous object. Sun, electric bulbs and candles. We do not get light from non-luminous object. Apple light देता है क्या? नहीं. Book light देती है क्या? नहीं. These all are the things are non-luminous. And how can we see anything? We see the object when light falling on them bounces back. And a shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Light always travel straight direction में करती है. अगर कोई उसका path रोक देता है तो उस चीज का shadow बन जाता है उस object का. When something vibrate, it makes a sound. A sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. जो हमें अच्छा लगता है sound, that is pleasant. जो नहीं अच्छा लगता वो unpleasant. When we push or pull or move thing, we use force. Pushing or pulling anything is called force. When we use force, we are able to move the things. और जब things force लगाने से move कर गए, then we will say work is done. यदि नहीं move की तो work is not done. And children, we need energy to do work. Let's do these book exercises. An example of a source of light. इसमें कहाँ से आपको source का light का source क्या है? Of course ये sun है. A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of किसका? path of light. जब light का path रुकता है तब shadow बनता है. The size of the shadow is always small, is always big. It's keep changing. और कैसे keep changing होता है? Due to change in the position of the sun. And a sound is produced when things वाइब्रेट. जब कोई चीज वाइब्रेट करती है तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है? साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. सितार गिटार में देखते हो ना, आप उसके स्ट्रिंग को वाइब्रेट करते हो तो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. In a tug of war between team A and B, team A win because it uses more force. जो ज्यादा फोर्स यूज करेगा वो जीत जाएगा. Now true or false? We can see in dark. It is false. We can see in light only. The length length of the shadow is shortest at noon. Yes, it is true. Vibration produce sound. True. Loud and unpleasant sound is called music. False, it's called noise. We get energy from the food we eat. True. What is formed when an object blocks the path of light? Shadow. What is the back and forth movement of a thing is called? Vibration. What is loud and unpleasant sound called? Noise. What is push or pull thing is called? Force. What is required to do work? किसी वर्क को करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होती है? एनर्जी. Yes, children, let's do these worksheets. अब हम लोग इन वर्कशीट्स को करते हैं. हाँ, इसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर दूं. चलो, we have to pick the correct option. Children, which of the following is a luminous object? Sun, drum or book? Of course, sun. We use force to sing, sleep or skate. किसमें हम force use करते हैं? Of course, skate में use करते हैं. Sound is caused by vibration. Sound किससे बनता है? Vibration से. The ability to do work is called energy. And which of these form a shadow? Pencil, book or both of these? Yes, of course, both of these form a shadow. Let me find the other thing of the same thing. Yes. We have done these, na? Both A and B. Give one word for the following. The main source of light on earth is sun. Objects that do not give out light, non-luminous. Third, this is formed when light is blocked by an object. जब कोई भी चीज का कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रास्ता रोकता है तो क्या बनता है? शैडो. रैपिड एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट को क्या कहते हैं बेटा? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज कॉल्ड वाइब्रेशन. ये सब हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिया है ना? Children, you will find these all worksheet on your EduNext app. Annual revision chapter जहाँ पहले देखा था वहीं पे you will find these worksheet. I will share. And if you can't open, then you can see this video again and again, and you have to learn this thing. Now I am going to share the another worksheet. You don't have to do it in notebook, dear. Just you have to read it. आपको इसको बार बार पढ़ना है, ठीक है? चलो. Yes, filling the blanks. Let's do. चलो इसको करते हैं हम लोग. Your shadows changes during the day. इसमें आप क्या भरोगे? Your shadows. शैडो का क्या बदलता रहता है बेटा? साइज. शैडो का क्या बदलता रहता है? Your shadows. यहाँ क्या लिखोगे आप? साइज. Shadows size. 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 Yes. When you pluck at a string of a guitar, it produces. जब आप गिटार के किसी स्ट्रिंग को आप प्लग करते हो तो क्या होता है बेटा? क्या निकलता है? वाइब्रेशन. VIBRATION. Vibration. We use dash to do some work. किसी वर्क को करने के लिए हम क्या लगाते हैं भैया? We use what is the yes come यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम लोग force. 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 Force can also change the shape of an object. CHAN. G E change. Unpleasant sound is called, क्या कहलाता है बेटा? Unpleasant sound is called noise. Noise. Now come to this one. Give one word answer. Bouncing back and light of light from an object. जब वो हमने देखा था एप्पल पर से लाइट जब रिफ्लेक्ट, तो उसको हम क्या बोले थे? रिफ्लेक्शन. व्हाट वी से, वी विल से रिफ्लेक्शन. REFLECTION. यस. बैक एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट को क्या कहते हैं? अभी भी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था, वाइब्रेशन. VIBRATION. द मूवमेंट ऑफ द थिंग ऑन यूज ऑफ फोर्स. किसी चीज का मूवमेंट फोर्स यूज करने पे होता है तो हम क्या कहते हैं? वर्क इज डन. WORK. इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाइब्रेशन ऑफ थिंग. किसी चीज के वाइब्रेशन से क्या चीज प्रोड्यूस होता है? साउंड. SOUND. इट हेल्प्स अस टू सी द थिंग्स अराउंड अस. किसकी मदद से हम चारों ओर की चीजें देखते हैं? लाइट. LIGHT. एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस पिक्चर. एंड आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है कि ये क्या है. यस. व्हाट डज दिस पिक्चर शो? ये क्या बन रहा है बेटा? एस देखो यहाँ ऑलरेडी लिखा है, HADOW. शैडो बन रहा है ना. और यहाँ पे क्या, ये गर्ल क्या प्रोड्यूस कर रही है? यहाँ देखो टेडी बियर का शैडो पीछे बना है ना. लाइट के रास्ते में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट का शैडो बन गया. और ये गर्ल क्या प्रोड्यूस कर रही है? इस तरीके से वाइब्रेशन करने से क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है? म्यूजिक. एम तो ऑलरेडी लिखा है, MUSIC. म्यूजिक. एंड चिल्ड्रन, जो लाइट यहाँ से आके रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है ना, तभी ना हमारे आंखों को दिख रही है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हम लिखेंगे? रिफ्लेक्शन. आर ऑलरेडी लिखा है लेकिन दिख नहीं रहा है तो मैं लिख दे रही हूँ REFLECTION. reflection. Okay children, you can find, as I have already told you, these worksheet on your ReaderNext app. You practice again and again, read each and every sentence of the lesson. Children, you read all activity, all picture, what is written. You have to do book exercises, the defined words. From anywhere questions can be asked. So you have to learn each and every line of the question of all 4 lessons which are coming in your annual examination. If you have understood the things, it will be very easy to solve any question. The question will ask in very simple language. It is not sure that only the book exercise will come. It will be formed from between the lesson, as you already you have done in your unit test, in your previous examination. Just like that, in this examination also, you have to read the chapters and complete the book exercise, come and read the worksheet. Okay children, in next class we will do the another revision. Okay children, bye bye. Meet you soon in the next class.